Hello everyone, today we're going to be going from AutoCAD 2D into Inventor 3D. My name is Marco Trinidad. I'm one of the application engineers here at KETIV. Now in our last video, we did cover the sketch basics in Inventor and creating sketch geometry from scratch. In this section, we're going to be covering importing that data from AutoCAD into an Inventor sketch. And I'm going to show you two different methods to do that. Now, Inventor does have a native import tool, which is the first method I'm going to show you. With this tool, we can grab our drawing directly from our local workspace and select what geometry we want to import into Inventor. In this window on the left, you can see some of those options here for my drawing, and I'm going to walk through it using this window and what you get on import. One thing to note is that Inventor is not going to keep the link with your AutoCAD file. So this is sort of grabbing a snapshot, and from there you can make modifications in Inventor. Now over here on the right, I do have my AutoCAD drawing that I want to import. You can see it's a bracket with 3 different views. I'm going to grab this information from AutoCAD and bring it into Inventor. So now I am going to close this out. It will not let me import with this file open, so I'm just going to close this out and move into an Inventor window. In Inventor, I'm going to create a brand new part file. So I'm going to go to my standard IPT. And in here, I'm going to create a new sketch. And now I can see my import window. Now, by default, all of these options will be turned on. You can see all of the different information that you can grab from your AutoCAD drawing. For me, I do just want to keep it to my visible edges and my dimensions. I'm going to uncheck some of these options. And I should be left with just these visible edges and dimensions. If I click on the next window, I do also have other options in here. This is where if you want to select a different unit set, you can. For me, I'm just going to use the units that were already inside of my AutoCAD file, and then I can click finish. And you can see from that import, I get all of my lines, and I can go in and make modifications from it. Now, for at least this sketch, I do want to keep it simple. I'm not going to use all of these views from AutoCAD. So I'm going to go through and select and remove the ones I do not need. And then I'm left with my one view that I can format and create my 3D features from. That is the first option for importing geometry from AutoCAD. And I'm going to show you the second option. The second option for importing from AutoCAD is using the copy paste. So in this option, we can go directly into AutoCAD, use Control-C, and then Control-V onto our Inventor sketch, and it will import our geometry. So I'm going to go over to AutoCAD and open up my file. Now I do want this bottom left view again, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then use Control-C on my keyboard. And now I can go back into an Inventor inside of a new part file, create a new sketch on my front view. and then paste this sketch in. Now you can see the box holding my AutoCAD sketch. I'm just going to place it over here to the right, and that'll import my geometry. So now from here, I do still need to do some formatting on this file. So in our next section, we're going to be covering formatting AutoCAD geometry that we've imported from AutoCAD to Inventor.